What's up, Tesla fans? I'm Ellie with T-Sportline. I got another special Model 3 that I'm really excited about sharing with you today. We just completed this black Model 3, and while it looks like it's satin or it received maybe a matte wrap, in actuality, we did something that is my favorite, and we used the Xpel Stealth series paint protection film and wrapped the complete exterior of the car, and now it looks satin. And in my opinion, much cooler than 3M satin black or Avery satin black or all the matte blacks that are out there. I think this Xpel film, what it does to the paint, really gives it the ultimate satin finish. And of course, you could do this to all colors Model 3. Satin black's very popular right now, really trending, but it would look great with red or white or blue. So this film is really the best, and here's why it is the best. Xpel paint protection film is all about protecting the paint of the car. The fact that this happens to do a color change is an added bonus, but this film is the greatest to protect you against rock chips, road rash, different conditions, and take the hit, and then most likely and in most cases protect the paint underneath. And if that happens, then all you need to do is go ahead and rewrap that one area if the film gets blemished. This film also has what they call self-healing properties, and that's really cool too. So small little chips or damages, it'll actually fix itself, especially with a little bit of help from heat. So Xpel Stealth film on any color Tesla will make your factory paint satin or matte. I really love it. I hope you do too. Let's see some comments down below here if you like it too. Now let's go ahead, and I want to walk around the car and share with you some other really cool things that we did to it. So we got rid of all the chrome. You know, that's a really big trend right now, and when you go stealth like this, you can't have the shiny chrome. I'm sure you'll agree. So we used 3M gloss black film and wrapped all the chrome trim. We painted the front Tesla T logo gloss black, the rear Tesla T logo gloss black, and now we've got kind of this contrast satin and gloss black finish. And we didn't stop there. You know, we had to change the wheels, because even though the factory Tesla wheels are cool, the best looking wheels for any Tesla is going to be either our TST or our brand new TSS wheel. This is a really good look. It's finished in gloss black, and we're using the factory 19-inch tires front and rear, the factory Tesla mounting hardware, and tire pressure sensors. It all works with our new wheels. And then to finish it off and help clean up the look, the factory Tesla lug nuts are silver and they're rather like unfinished. So as you can see here, we actually have covered them up with our gloss black lug nut covers, and that really finishes it off. Now, lastly, take a look at this, the calipers. We painted the calipers black with red Tesla letters, and that's very different because usually you see, you know, red calipers. We've done blue, we've done pink, yellow plenty of times, but I really like black with the red Tesla letters. I think it's cool. It works with the theme of this car. So this is what we did to it. I hope you like it. Again, please leave some comments below. If you don't already subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so. We have so many more videos coming your way.